Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to create account on Snapchat application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded Snapchat application on your device. Now here, as you can see that I've already downloaded. In order to create an account, what I have to do is just tap on Snapchat application. And here you can see the interface looks something like this. Now down there, as you can see, there is two different options. So one is login. So in case if you already have an account on Snapchat, so you can tap on login and enter the information and then sign in. And in case if you don't have an account and want to create a new account, so just tap on sign up. So next, on the other page, you have to enter your username. Once you're done entering your name, just tap on sign up and accept. So next, on the other page, you have to enter your birth date. So then select the birth date from down there, which is right in the bottom. So once you're done selecting your birth date, just tap on continue. So next, on the other page, there is a confirmation. So down there you can see change my username. So in case if you're not happy with this name, so you can create your own username just by tapping on change my username, which is right in the bottom. And if you're happy with this name, just tap on continue, which is right in the bottom. So next you have to create is password in order to secure your account. Create a new password. So once you're done creating a password, so then tap on continue, which is right in the bottom. So next, on the other page, you have to give your email address. Enter the email address, and once you're done entering your email address, so tap on continue, which is right in the bottom. So next, on the other page, there is a phone number. So in case if you want to add your phone number on your Snapchat application, so then enter the phone number and then tap on continue. And in case if you don't want to add your phone number, so tap on skip, which is right on top on the right hand side corner. On the next page, there you have find your friends. So as you have created a new account, so you shouldn't be skipping on this particular page. So in order to move on, just tap on continue, which is right in the bottom. So on the other page, there you can see these are all the friends, or these are all the contacts that I have saved on my phone. Now in case if you want to add friend, all you have to do is just tap on add button, which is right in the corner. So once again, I'll show you the step. What you have to do is just tap on add button, which is right in the corner. Now you can add as much people as possible if you want. So just tap on continue once you're done. And here you can see that my account has been created. And now you're ready to explore Snapchat. And this is how you can create an account on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.